This is a step-by-step guide on how to download and install AliExpress on Android. So the first step is to proceed to your Play Store. So now once you click on your Play Store, below you'll see a search icon. You tap on it, and then at the top you now insert the keyword AliExpress. So now once you insert the keyword, you now proceed and you now click on download. So right now the speed on the download might depend on your network, the speed rate. So now once you're done with the download, the system will automatically install it, and you now proceed, you click on open. So now once you click on open, you will now click at this drop down to select your country. In my own case, I'm from Nigeria. So I will now select Nigeria. So now once you select your country, you now proceed, you click on continue. So
Actually,
right now,
good
if you want to
morning once
create an
again.
account, if you want
So
to
how
either
is
create using your Gmail
you that
or
you've
to sign
tried
up with your
subscribe
Google account or Facebook or X, you
your
proceed
MTN
and
and your
use any
Glow
of the
before?
option.
So how is the
So this is
strength
how
like?
to
Is it
download
something worth
and
trying?
install AliExpress on your
Airtel is actually
Android. If
giving
this
me
is
big
helpful,
issue like
do
trying
not
to
forget to
upload.
like,
I don't know.
subscribe, and share this video.
I don't know if I just want to